Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove screen recording to the control center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, scroll down and tap on control center. Next, scroll down to the more controls section and then tap on screen recording. Tap on the add button to add it to the control center. Now once it is added, you can pull down the control center and then tap on the screen recording shortcut to start recording your video. Tapping on it again will cancel your video recording. And to remove it from the control center, go to the included controls section and then tap on the remove button, then tap on removed. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.